Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is Surds and Indices part 2. Let us see the question. Here question is what? Find the value of x in 81 to the power x minus 3 divide 81 to the power 4 equal to 6th root of 9 to the power 24. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique? See, so here 81 and here 81. So both bases same. So if both bases same, divide, we subtract the power. So this is 81 x minus 3 and this is minus 4. And this equal to what? That is 6th root of 9 power 24. So when we solve this number, so here 81 and here 9. So we can convert this as a base of 9. So this is 81 is what? 9 square. So we can write 9 square to the power what? X minus 7. And this equal to what? 9 to the power, this is 24 and here 6. So it is what? Divide. So we will get 9 to the power 2x minus 40 and this equal to what? So 9 to the power 4 only. So here what is this? Power is 2x minus 14 and this is 4. So this is 2x minus 14 is 4. So we will get 2x equal to 18 and x equal to 2 9 are 18. So our correct answer is what? 9 is our right answer. Yeah, the question second is what? Which of the following surds is greatest? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you see here 3 given, here nothing given, that is 2, here 4 and here 6. So first to find LCM of this. So this is LCM. So LCM of 3, that is here 2, here 4 and here 6. So LCM of 3, 2, 4, 6 is what? So first to divide by 2. So this is 3, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 3. Again by 3. So this is 1 and this is 1, this is 2 and this is 1. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 2. So that is LCM is what? 12. So my first number is what? That is cube root of 2. So LCM is 12. So we will write here 12. And 3 4 are 12, so 2 power 4. When we multiply 2 4 times, so we will get how much? That is 60. In the same way, second is what? That is root 3. Okay, na? So here we will write again 12. So this is only 2, so 2 6 are 12. We will get what? 3 power 6. So 3 power 6 will be how much? So 3 power 2, that is 9 3 times. 3 power 2, 3 power 2, 3 power 2. So 9 9 are 81, that is what? 729. And fourth one is what? That is 4th root of 5. So we can write again here 12. So 4 3 are 12. So 5 power 3. So this is what? 12th root of 125. In the same way, this is what? 6th. So that is 6th root of 7. So again we will write here 12. 6 2 are 12, so 7 power 2. So this is 12th of 49. Now you see, in every one there is a 12. So we need what? Greatest. So greatest was 7 to 9. That is root 3. So our correct answer is what? B is right answer. Now see question number 3rd. So the question 3rd is what? Simplify root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3 equal to what? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Just to dislike the denominator. So here root 5 minus root 3. So just multiply this number by root 5 plus root 3 to numerator and denominator. So let us see. This is root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. So here root 5 minus root 3. So just multiply this whole root 5 plus root 3 and root 5 plus root 3. So here what? Root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 plus 3. So we can write root 5 plus root 3 whole square. Here root a minus root 3, root 5 minus root 3. Here root 5 plus root 3. So this is what? A minus b, a plus b. So we can write a square, that is root 5 square. minus root 3a square, that is b square. So this is a formula, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Now we can write this a plus b whole square. So root 5 square is 5 plus root 3 square is 3 plus 2 into a into b. So this is what? 2 root under 50. And this is what? Root 5 square is what? 5 and minus root 3 square is 3. So we can write 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2 root 50. So this is 8 plus 2 root 50 and divided by 2. So we can write that is 2 common. So that is 4 plus root 50 by 2. So this is cancel. So we can write what? 4 plus root 50. This is our right answer. So A is our correct answer.